We at Palito are a research-backed diet consulting company. Our services are focused on three crucial lifestyle disorders: reducing excess body weight and obesity, reversing diabetes, regularizing irregular menstrual period in women, and recovering from PCOS symptoms. Here, I would quickly like to highlight our enviable track record of our diet consulting program called 100 Days Daily Diet Monitoring. 90% of our customers have lost 10 kg or more of their excess weight within 100 days. 85% of our women customers with PCOS problems have regularized their periods within 100 days. 100% of our diabetic customers have achieved a HbA1c level improvement of at least 1.5% along with complete stoppage or significant reduction of their diabetic medicines. So how do we go about this? What makes us unique and why do we say it is science based? Let me explain. Decades of research has clearly established that excess insulin hormone in blood caused by insulin resistance of body cells is the primary root cause of obesity and diabetes, which in turn leads to most other lifestyle disorders including heart disease, kidney disease, and most of the autoimmune diseases. In our diet consulting practice, we address these root causes. There are 4 pillars to our 100 days diet monitoring program. First, every diet plan is prepared after a thorough blood test review by our doctors. Next, we adopt a low carbohydrate diet plan, popularly referred as paleo or keto diets, which is the best approach to bring down insulin in blood. Third pillar is guided time restricted eating, or what is popularly known as intermittent fasting, a powerful therapeutic tool to address insulin resistance. Fourth and the most important pillar is a daily monitoring by our specially trained dietitians for a period of 100 days. Let me give some details about these 4 pillars. At Palito, a detailed blood test review by our panel of doctors is the first step. The important parameters assessed include diabetic and thyroid profile, health of liver, kidney and pancreas, level of vitamin D and B12, and inflammation and certain cardiac risk markers. The recommendations from the doctor forms the basis for the specially trained dietitians to prepare a personalized diet plan according to the underlying health conditions of our clients. Please remember, following some generic diet plan taken from the internet or by taking tips from friends can actually cause harm in the long run. So what is the dietary approach we follow and why? As mentioned earlier, excess insulin in blood caused by insulin resistance of body cells is the root cause. Insulin is a dietary hormone triggered primarily by carbohydrates and excess protein in our food. To address the root cause, the goal is to bring down the level of insulin in blood and to improve the insulin sensitivity. At Palito, we achieve this through our dietary approach of a combination of a low-carb LCHF diet, popularly known as keto and paleo diets, along with guided intermittent fasting. In a LCHF diet, carbohydrates are kept low, typically around 40 grams per day, along with moderate amount of protein and high healthy fat. We have a detailed video on LCHF diet and would encourage you to watch it. The link is provided in the description below. Intermittent fasting is a powerful research-backed therapeutic tool which significantly improves insulin sensitivity. In intermittent fasting, the eating window is restricted to a specific time. For example, in a 16-8 intermittent fasting, all food consumption will be restricted to an 8-hour window in a day. At Palito, we follow a proven step-by-step approach in guiding our clients to ease into intermittent fasting and extended fasting. Along with LCHF diet and intermittent fasting, we recommend simple targeted exercises that can be done at home which help significantly in the health journey. The most important aspect in our 100 days diet monitoring program is the fourth pillar, that is daily monitoring by a dedicated dietitian. Just imagine the value of having a health guide who keeps in touch on a daily basis, reviewing the daily food intake, answering the doubts, motivating to stick to the plan, helping in being prepared for special situations like travel, parties, etc. It is priceless. A lot of our clients, especially in their Google reviews, attribute this continuous monitoring as the key for their success in achieving their health goals. But there is always a question arising in everyone's mind. What happens after 100 days are over? A very important aspect at Palito is the preparation of maintenance diet plan. Blood tests are repeated to understand the health progress, and accordingly a maintenance diet plan will be prepared which will help the client to sustain the progress made during the 100 days. The scientific approach that we follow ensures that each of our client gets a customized, tailor-made program to achieve their individual health goals. In one instance, 4 in a family had joined our program. Father had obesity with high uric acid, mother was diabetic, daughter had PCOS, and son was overweight and had alopecia. They were surprised to see that each of their diet plan was unique, and eventually when they achieved each of their health goals within 100 days, they were elated. We look forward to have an opportunity to help you achieve your health goals. Do reach out to us if you would like to discuss further. Thank you.